10 incredibly satisfying low-carb breakfast ideas from keto recipes. Starting your day with a low-carb breakfast doesn't mean sacrificing flavor and satisfaction. In fact, with the right recipes, you can enjoy a delicious morning meal while keeping your carb intake in check. Keto recipes, which are designed for a low-carb, high-fat diet, provide a plethora of tasty options. Here are 10 low-carb breakfast ideas that are not only satisfying but also incredibly delicious. 1. Avocado and bacon egg cups. These avocado and bacon egg cups are not only visually appealing but also rich in healthy fats and protein. Simply have an avocado, remove the pit, and scoop out a small well. Wrap the avocado halves with bacon strips, crack an egg into the center, and bake until the egg is cooked to your liking. It's a filling and savory way to start your day. 2. Keto pancakes. Who says you can't enjoy pancakes on a low-carb diet? Keto pancakes are made with almond flour or coconut flour, eggs, and a touch of almond milk. The result is fluffy, flavorful pancakes that are low in carbs and high in healthy fats. Top them with fresh berries and a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream for a delightful morning treat. 3. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a quick and easy low-carb breakfast. Mix chia seeds with your choice of unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, or heavy cream, and add a sweetener like erythritol or stevia to taste. Let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, and by morning, you'll have a thick and creamy pudding that's rich in healthy fats and fiber. 4. Spinach and feta omelette. Omelets are a classic choice for a low-carb breakfast, and this spinach and feta version is both satisfying and nutritious. Beat some eggs, sauté a handful of fresh spinach, and add crumbled feta cheese for a flavorful and protein-packed morning meal. 5. Smoked salmon and cream cheese roll UPS. For a touch of elegance in your low-carb breakfast, try smoked salmon and cream cheese roll-ups. Simply spread a layer of cream cheese on smoked salmon slices, roll them up, and enjoy the creamy, salty, and satisfying flavors. 6. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt is low in carbs and high in protein, making it an excellent base for a low-carb breakfast. Layer it with fresh berries, a drizzle of sugar-free honey or a low-carb sweetener, and some crushed nuts for added texture and flavor. 7. Sausage and egg breakfast casserole. A hearty breakfast casserole can be both delicious and low in carbs. Combine cooked sausage, eggs, cheese, and a touch of heavy cream in a baking dish, and bake until it's set. This casserole is a perfect option for meal prepping and enjoying a satisfying breakfast throughout the week. 8. Veggie and bacon frittata. A frittata is a versatile and flavorful low-carb breakfast. Sauté your favorite vegetables and bacon in an oven-proof skillet, then pour beaten eggs over them. Cook it until set, and you'll have a tasty, filling meal that can be enjoyed hot or cold. 9. Low-carb breakfast burrito. Yes, you can still enjoy a breakfast burrito on a low-carb diet. Use large lettuce leaves as a wrap instead of tortillas, and fill them with scrambled eggs, sautéed bell peppers, onions, and your choice of breakfast meats like bacon or sausage. Finish it off with a dollop of guacamole and a sprinkle of cheese for a satisfying, low-carb breakfast. 10. Peanut butter and chocolate smoothie. For those who enjoy a liquid breakfast, a peanut butter and chocolate smoothie can be a delectable low-carb option. Blend unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk with a scoop of peanut butter, a dash of cocoa powder, and a low-carb sweetener. It's a creamy and indulgent way to start your day while keeping your carb count low. These 10 low-carb breakfast ideas prove that you can savor satisfying, flavorful meals while adhering to a keto or low-carb diet. Feel free to customize these recipes to your liking, and enjoy the health benefits and weight management advantages that a low-carb breakfast provides.